Hello. So today I'll give you a quick tutorial on Vim macros. Vim macros are basically used to do repetitive tasks that you would find tedious to do manually. For example, here I have a list of variables and I want to pass them as strings into this function called selectItem, and the first letter should also be capitalized. So manually doing this would be hard. So what I will do is I'll use Vim macros. I'll press Q to start it and I'll put it into a register. So I'll use W. You can use anything. I'll do the same that I did before. So like select item, and I'll just do this. I'll stringify it and I'll capitalize the first letter, go to the first word, go to the next line, and from here we want to repeat it. So we'll end the macro here by pressing Q. This ended the macro. If you want to repeat this again, what you will do is you will notice that we want to go till pair. So what we'll do is we'll press 12 at W, and boom, everything that we wanted we got. Thanks for watching.